Hello students, welcome to the course Numerical and Statistical Method. In previous lecture we have studied about operators and now we are going to study about factorial notation. So this is a short video on factorial notation. As here definition is already mentioned, a product of the form x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus r plus 1 is denoted by this big bracket to the power r and is called a factorial. Factorial, this is known as factorial. So if this big bracket is there, x is equal to x, it means this. If big bracket x to whole square, it means x minus 1. See, if here 2 is there, then we are 2 times we are writing here x minus 1. But if here 2 is there, then we are writing x minus 1 means 2 minus 1. Similarly, if here 3 is there, then 3 terms I am writing x minus 1, x minus 2, and our last term is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this is very big thing to understand. Suppose if you have to write for general, that is x to the power r, then in this case what you will write? You will write x minus 1, x minus 2, like this it will go on, and at last you will write x minus this r. If here r is written, if 2 is written, then at last it is 1. If 3 is written, at last it is 2. And if r is there, then you have to write r minus 1. And if you will open this bracket, then minus r minus plus 1 it will become. Okay. So the factorial notation is of special utility in the theory of finite differences. As from last 2 days we are studying about finite differences. So factorial notation has a great utility, great application in theory of finite differences. It helps in finding the successive differences of a polynomial directly by simple rule of differentiation. Differentiation rule is needed here. So when I will do one question, then you will understand that how we are using differentiation rule here. Some important factorial notation. If suppose forward operator to the power n factorial x to the power n, then this is known as factorial n. Understand, this is known as factorial n. These are some important factorial notation which you have to remember it. We have proof of these factorial notations also exist, but I am only mentioning here the important things which is essential for your solving any kind of questions. If forward operator to the power n plus 1 and then factorial x to the power n is equal to 0. Forward operator factorial x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Means here if forward operator is there and in the power it is n, then n x n minus 1. Similarly n, then n minus 1. Here if n is there, then n we are writing here, and here n minus 1. If here means it's just a kind of differentiation, like we are differentiating. As you know the formula of differentiation of dx to the power n. You know the formula n x to the power n minus 1. And if suppose with x there is some kind of coefficient like this, then what we are doing? We are writing n a to the power x n minus 1, but again while differentiating a, this coefficient we are writing again. So this kind of thing we are doing here also, that if with x a is the coefficient, constant coefficient, then again this a has came. So it is just a differentiation. Now here one question, express y equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 10 in factorial notation. Means we don't have to write x cube, x square, x. We have to write in terms of factorial. This is the factorial. We have to write this whole equation in terms of factorial. And afterwards we have to also show that forward operator cube y equal to 12. This is our question. So it's very simple question, but it's need lots of attention. If you will not see the each and every step properly, then you will not understand. So means here our target is to express this cubic function in terms of factorial notation. So let me y is equal to a factorial x cube, means in this form we have to represent this, minus 3 factorial x square, 3 no, it's b, because while expressing it in factorial the value get changed, plus we are not writing here minus also because we are writing general one, and plus d. You know the meaning of this. You know it is known as x minus 1, x minus 2. Factorial x square means x minus 1. Factorial x means x. So you have to write this in this notation. So here we will use synthetic division. We will use synthetic division to solve, to find out this question. Okay, we will use synthetic division, and for synthetic division we will divide by x, x minus 1, x minus 2, etc. successively. But student, don't think that we are going to do division. I am showing you a very simple method to solve such kind of questions. It's very simple. Only attention is needed when I am explaining. First, what you will write? You have to write it like this way. X cube, because the highest power is x cube, then x square, then x, and then you don't have to write anything. It's only till x. First you have to write here 1. Okay. Now what you have to write? You have to first write what is the in question. Our coefficient of x cube is 2. So 2 I am writing, minus 3, 3, and here minus 10 is there. So I am writing here minus 10. Okay. Whatever the coefficient in question is given, that only I have written. Afterwards, see what you have to do. 1 into 2, 2. If you will subtract this, minus 3 plus 2, it will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Okay. So it will become 2. And this value, we don't have to do anything. It will just remain here only. And afterwards, we will write it as d. And the last value, okay, this last value is known as c. Okay, but the afterwards it will not adjust here. So again I am doing in next page. Okay, so that you will understand it more properly. Like again I am explaining, understand it properly. It is here we are writing x cube, x square, x, and here I am writing 1. Then we have to write 2 and something else, but I am writing like this only. So here we have written the coefficients 2, minus 3, 3, and minus 10. Okay, so what I have done, 1 into 2, 2, here we will write dash. Whenever you are doing 1 into 2, 2, and then you will do calculation minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Then it will become 2. Now what you have to do? You have to do like this. This is only known as synthetic division. This one is known as D and this one is known as C. Okay. Now here nothing is there. 2 minus 0 it means 2. Here now we will write 2. Now 2 twos are 4. So here we will write 4. And here we will write dash. Okay, like this it will come. Minus 1 plus 3 plus 4 it will become 3, and this is known as our B, and here it is 2. Here nothing, so here we will write 3. Now if you will do 3 into 2, then here nothing is there for subtraction, because this value is known as B. Now this value is constant. You don't have to do anything. So here only we will write dash, and here it will become like this. This is one is B, so this one will become like this, and this 2 is known as A. So we have considered earlier, we have considered earlier y equal to ax cube plus bx factorial x square plus c factorial x plus d. So we will express it like this: y equal to, in place of a 2 factorial this, then 3 factorial this, plus 2 factorial x, and in place of d I will write minus 10. Now we have to prove one more thing. What we have to prove? That del cube y is equal to 12. Now we will carry forward our calculation for this, and afterwards you will find the correct answer. So students, here if we will do differentiation, of this, then we will get what? 2x cube. Then you know the differentiation, 3 this square plus 3, it will become, you know the differentiation formula, d by dx, x to the power n is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. So it will become, n is here 3, so it will become 3 factorial x square plus 3 into 2 factorial x plus 2 into 1, and this one is 0. So if you will do calculation, then you will get 6 factorial square, 6 factorial x plus 2. This one you will get, and afterwards if we will do calculation again, if we will do again differentiation, means if one time you are differentiating, then we will write it as del y. If again you are differentiating, like again I am differentiating this, this one del square, then if again we will differentiate, now here we don't have to write, again I am differentiating here, then del square, then 6 2 factorial x plus 6. Now one time I have differentiated and my answer is about 12 factorial x plus 6. Now again I am going to differentiate this, del y, del cube y equal to 12, and x differentiation is 1, so, and this 6 differentiation is 0. So it has become del cube y plus is equal to 12. Okay. So what we have got, which shows that the third difference of y are constant. Okay. This shows that third difference is constant. Understand? Now one more question I am going to explain with the help of this same method. Those who have not understand the synthetic division, please be conscious, be attentive, and try to understand in the next question. So student, this is the question. In this question you have to express u equal to x to the power 4 minus 12x cube plus 24x square minus 30x plus 9, and it's a successive differentiation in factorial notation, and hence you have to show that del 5 u equal to 0, means you have to do 5 times differentiation and you have to show that it is 0. Okay, so the question is u equal to x to the power 4 minus 12x cube plus 24x square minus 30x plus 9. So you have a simple idea that how you will express this. First we will express y equal to a factorial x to the power 4 plus b factorial x to the power 3 plus c factorial x to the power 2 plus d factorial x plus e. And afterwards we will do synthetic division and we will do calculation. So I am explaining this question, and please be conscious, be attentive. So how we will write this question? We can write this question with the help of so first we will consider y equal to let y equal to x to the power 4 minus 12x cube plus 24x square. This one is, which is our question here, no, it's u equal to this plus 9. So let y equal to, we will consider as a factorial x to the power 4 plus b factorial x to the power 3 plus c factorial x square plus d factorial x plus e. So this is our question. Now what we will do? We will do synthetic division. Synthetic division, how we will do? First we will write a. Here we will write x4, x cube, x square, x. What is the coefficients? 1, minus 12, 24, minus 30, plus 9. This 9 is known as e. Okay. Now 1 into 1, 1. Here you will do calculation, it will become minus 11 into 1, minus 11, and it will become 13. 13 in multiply by 1, it will become 13. So here you will write it as 17, minus 17, and this minus 17 is known as D. Okay, so how we will write this? We will write like this. Okay, this is the calculation. This one is D. Now afterwards what we will do? Afterwards we'll write here 2, and here dash is there, so it will be 1. 2 into 1, it will become 2. Okay, and 2, then if you will do calculation of this, it will become minus 9. Minus 9 into 2, it will become minus 18. And here we will not do because it is already known as D. So if you will do calculation here again, then it will become dash. Here it is 1. It's nothing, it means 1. Here minus 18, if you will do, then it will become minus 18, and 13, it will become minus 5. Yeah, so minus 5 is known as C. Now again here we will write 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So here we will write 3. We will not write here because it is already treated as C. Now if you will do calculation of this, then you will get minus 9, it will become minus 6, and this one is known as B. Here it is 0 and here it is 1. Here we will write 4. Okay, now what we will do? 4 into 1, we cannot write here anything. Minus 6. 4 we cannot write anything. This one is B. So here we will write only dash, and here it will become, because at first we have to write dash. Whenever we are starting, we are writing dash. So here we will write dash, so it will become 1, and this one will become A. So if you will not write also here 4, then also it's okay. If you will not write also 4, then it's okay, because we are not going to calculate anything with 4. So our y will become 1 factorial x to the power 4 minus 6 factorial x 3 minus 5 factorial x square minus 17 factorial x plus 9. Now what you have to do? You have to first differentiate. Del y is equal to 4x cube minus 318x, this one we have to write in factorial, x square minus 2 5s are 10 factorial x minus 17. Again if we will do differentiation, then it will become 3 4s are 12 factorial x square 36 factorial x 10. Again if we will do, then it will become 24 factorial x minus 36. Now again if we will do del 4y equal to 24. Now if again we will do del 5y, it will become 0, because this is constant and the constant value of constant is 0. So students, whatever our question is there, our question is here only that you have to express this in factorial notation, and hence you have to show that del 5u equal to 0. So del 5u equal to 0 you have to show. So here we have already showed that del 5u is equal to del to the power 5 is means 5 times differentiation of y is equal to 0. So like this way we have to do the calculation of factorial notation. If any doubt is there, you have to ask in discussion forum. You people are not asking anything in discussion forum. It's quite impossible that you don't have any doubt. Okay, whenever you are studying properly, it's compulsory, it's necessary that you have doubt, but you are not asking anything. It means you are not studying properly, you are not watching through the videos, and therefore you don't have any doubt. So kindly watch the video properly, and if you have any doubt, you have to ask in discussion forum. You also can take help of your friends who are understanding all the things properly. But if they are also not able to help you, then in that case you have to ask to me. Okay, thank you.